grade 12s and welcome to this lesson called Find Us. We'll focus on different types of maps and how to use them. Maps are used to identify locations and to help with directions. There are many different types of maps. Let's take a look at some. This is a bus route map. It shows 4 different routes and the bus stops along the way. This is a political map of the world. It shows the different continents and countries. And this is a topographical map of beautiful South Africa. It uses different colors to show the height of the land. It also shows bodies of water. In our everyday lives, we come across maps that show the layout of a building and sports fields. Other examples are street maps, store maps in a shopping center, and a classroom layout. Jacob has drawn this map of his school's field. It shows where different events will happen at an inter-school athletics day. We can see that there are 2 100-meter tracks. The high jump is on the opposite side of the javelin throw, and the shot put event is next to the javelin throw. I'm sure we can all agree that he's drawn a clear diagram that is easy to follow. Everything has been drawn to scale, but he has not put the scale on the diagram. Let's determine the scale together. The first thing to do is to measure the distance on the map of the 100 meters in centimeters. This is 7 centimeters. Write the measurement down and express it as a ratio of 2 different unit measures. 100 meters is to 7 centimeters. Convert the unit measure of meters to centimeter. Multiply 100 meter with its conversion factor of 100. This gives 10,000 centimeters. Therefore, the ratio is 10,000 is to 7 centimeters. Now we have a ratio, but it needs to be simplified. Let's do this. To simplify the ratio to a scale of 1:2, we divide both values with 7. The answer is 1,429 is to 1. Have you ever wondered how teachers quickly learn the names of their learners in a class within a short period of time? Well, one of their secrets is they create a layout map of their classroom with the names of the learners in each seat in a classroom. This helps them to know who is absent and to know their names quickly. Here is an example of a grade 8 learners class for mathematics. Let's see if you can locate some learners. In which row is Zintle seated? Row 4 from the door. How many learners are in this class? There are 30 learners. These layouts help teachers a lot. Have you ever got lost in a shopping center or mall? These places have so many shops and sometimes it's difficult to find the shop you're looking for or the meeting place where your friends will be. The best thing to do is to get a map, then use it to locate where you want to go. This is the layout of a local mall. We can see the shop numbers as well as the toilets, escalators and elevators. Now let's look at what kind of map can be used when it comes to locations such as cities, towns and provinces. A street map shows the names of the street and we can find places and direction on a street map. National and provincial maps show the major roads, major towns and provinces. While the route maps focus on a specific route taken by any mode of transportation, such as bus and rail, they only indicate the towns and cities we pass through on that route. All these maps help us find a location or give direction to the specific destinations. To give direction, we need to be specific and clear. We can use direction indicators such as left, right, along, straight, up, and down. This map of Johannesburg has landmarks such as a post office, cinema, and court. On which street do we find the Carlton Centre? It is found at Commissioner Street. Let's look at the directions from Kerk Street to the post office. From Kerk Street, turn right into Bird Street, continue along the road until Rissik Street, and turn right at Rissik Street, then we're at the post office. How about if our map has a grid reference system? How would we use it to locate a place? This street map has a grid reference which uses alphabet and numbers. To find the grid reference of the place, we must first find the place on the map. The university is located in block B3 and the hospital is in B4. When we travel long distance trips, we use maps that show national and municipal roads. N is used to show national roads and the M shows municipal roads. National roads stretch across the country and municipal roads stick to local areas. For even longer routes, we can use a strip map. Here is a strip route map from Cape Town to East London. It shows that the total distance between the two is 557 kilometers. It also shows which towns the route passes through and how far apart they are. Topographical maps show the height of land. The heights are indicated in different colors. Elevation maps also show heights and are often used in races. When a runner prepares for a race, it's important to know the altitude or uphills and downhills of their journey. An elevation map is used to prepare for this. This map indicates the lowest and the highest points of the race and the distance traveled. The highest point in this race is 810 meters. Thank you for joining us, grade 12s. Now that you've learned about maps, it is time for you to do the task found in www.mindset.co.za/learn. Goodbye.